During rush hour in Tokyo, some train doors will not close on their own. That's when staff in white gloves step in and gently push passengers deeper inside. This job actually has a name, oshiya, which means pusher. It started decades ago as commuter numbers exploded past what stations were built for. The gloves protect commuters from any rough handling. It looks chaotic, almost like a human game of Tetris, but it keeps the world's busiest trains running exactly on time. And somehow, everyone squeezed inside stays completely calm about it.